Banana peels are old news. Coffee grounds, been there. But what about nail clippings, old loofahs, or your vacuum bag? Today we're diving into 10 of the weirdest things you can actually compost, and 3 that sound great, but are a total fail. Hey gardeners, this is Master Gardener Steve. Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. If you love turning trash into garden gold, make sure that you hit the button and subscribe. We're busting compost myths and giving you pro-level garden tips in every video. Now for the list. At number 1, starting simple. Any old plain bread, tortillas, or even cooked pasta can go into your compost. Just avoid oils, cheese, or sauces. At number 2, any packaging filler, shredded junk mail. If it's plain and uncoated, yes, it's perfect carbon. At number 3, the bathroom brown gold, toilet paper rolls and paper tubes. Rip them up and balance your greens like a pro. At number 4, old oatmeal, rice, or dry grains. Pantry clean out day? Chuck the dusty oatmeal into the pile. Carbs feed microbes too. At number 5, for you wine connoisseurs, natural wine corks. Not the plastic ones, but real cork. They're compostable. Cut it up first to help it break down fast. At number 6, cotton balls. No synthetic stuff, but plain cotton. Toss it, especially if you used it for witch hazel or water-based toner. At number 7, loofahs. If your shower scrubber is from the garden, it can return to the garden. At number 8, vacuum cleaner contents. If you're vacuuming hardwood and pet hair, go for it. Just skip it if you have synthetic carpet. Number 9, little gross, human hair or pet fur. If you've got a lab like I do, you can brush out your dog. That fur's nitrogen rich and breaks down slowly, aka a slow release fertilizer. At number 10, the grossest, fingernail and toenail clippings. Yep, they're just keratin like hair. No polish though, not a lot of volume unless you're a nail salon. And now on to the 3 things you shouldn't compost. Citrus peels in bulk. If you've got a few of them, fine. A whole juicing habit's worth, too acidic and bad for your worms. Number 2, glossy or colored paper. If it's shiny or neon colored, there's plastic or synthetic dye. Keep it out. And last, at number 3, compostable plastics, compostable in quotes. Unless you're in an industrial facility, they won't break down, they just sit there for a long period of time. Composting doesn't just have to be leaves and scraps. A few weird ingredients can feed your pile and surprise your plants. Just remember, balance your greens and browns, and keep the fake stuff out. Which weird one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and hey, if you like this, we've got more compost myth busting coming. Subscribe and share it with your garden-obsessed friends.